Alright, VW Mountain Man today, and I redid this gun for a buddy of mine, an old Blackpowder 58. So anyway, we're out here giving her a break-in today, so go ahead, Tech, let her eat.
If I can get that on or not.
You gotta love the cap and ball. We're loading up. Take if I can find them on the camera here. The nipples, right there. We've got number 11 percussion caps. For those of you that don't know, and they can be a little finicky,
Especially on the other opposite side. Come back to that one.
Okay.
Not sure where she's hitting at.
Well, I know them 2-liter bottles are full of water. How's it cycling since we got that block put in?
Perfect.
Good.
Okay, so it's that one. That one needs a cap. I just wish I could hit something. I'm going to walk up a little closer.
No, you go right ahead. What's it been? 2 or 3 years since you shot this?
It's been a while. I ought to be able to hit it now.
There we go.
Yep, that's it.
That's all 6?
That's all 6.
Okay. Down here just to see. Nope, no holes in that one.
So it was shooting, I had it here, and at that close it's shooting way high.
It's that close? Okay. Because I noticed the one hit, you know, back here, but I couldn't tell from my angle.
I was even aiming sometimes at here too.
In front of it?
Shooting in front of it.
Yeah. Well, here's a normal shooting range since we're out here. I've got a table set up right there. And if you look down from the table, I got little targets right there. There's a couple big swingers, and then the 22 small caliber stuff there. And that's 50 yards. And then I'll back out, come over from the table, and then down we call the shooting lane down there. That's my old dryer sitting out there. I've got posts for a backstop, but anyway, that's 100 yards. 100 yards from this table. And then back up here at the basement back door is about 137 yards. So, but anyway, that's all the fun for today. It is cold out here. So, everybody have a good day. Happy New Year.